Well, tonight, a legal battle involving the city of Daphne is close to an end.
Your tax dollars could soon be footing the bill. The city's been wrapping up a turf fight with AT&T for a year and a half.
NBC 15's James Gordon has a closer look at how this all played out. James?
Oh, these orange and white markers are all across the county, and most people don't even notice them, but at Daphne, they're getting a lot of attention. Drive down most any road in Daphne, and it's what you don't see or even notice that's been causing a ruckus at City Hall. It's now in the settlement stage as telecommunications company AT&T and the city of Daphne hope to come to terms after a year-and-a-half-long fight over the city's sign ordinance that call for these orange and white markers to be shortened to 2 feet above the ground.
I'm asking basically a judge to intervene and to ask us to not be able to enforce our own ordinance.
That was Daphne Mayor DANE HAYGOOD in 2018 calling out AT&T for not complying with the new city ordinance. City crews removed dozens of the markers that it deemed too tall. Taxpayers didn't like hearing the city's insurance may have to pay up over the whole thing.
You know, it's money from us that we don't even know where it's going, and that's something completely insignificant.
Local realtor LORETTA Bullard says any company that does business in Daphne should abide by the sign ordinance, regardless of its size and power.
I'm in business, my husband's in business, and you know, there are certain things you can do in certain areas, and we have to abide by the ordinance, so why shouldn't they?
The city council and the mayor are not commenting on the financial terms of the settlement, but did say the city has agreed to make some adjustments to the ordinance. The mayor issued the following statement: "We are hopeful and optimistic about the outcome that would be favorable to the city. AT&T may be reimbursed for some of its expenses, and the goal is to not have to pass on any of the legal fees to taxpayers."
I mean, our money could be going to so many different things. That's definitely not where it should be going.
And the city council is expected to disclose the terms of the settlement when they vote on the issue this coming Monday. In Daphne, James Gordon, NBC 15 News.
Well, the legal battle in question revolves around city law and your safety. AT&T's 2018 lawsuit claims removing the utility markers could damage the company's network, in turn affecting emergency responder communication. The city wouldn't comment at the time, but the mayor did say there is no public safety risk because the utility lines remain intact.
You have a legal requirement to call. The telecom providers and other utility providers have an opportunity to come out and mark those lines, and that has to be done before you dig. In our opinion, they don't provide safety. They're out of a matter of convenience.
And one of those laws is calling 811 before you dig.